Up everybody, so in this video we are gonna practice a page in which we would be adding some links and some HTML images. So how is that possible? In the HTML web pages section, I would just create here is a step-by-step roadmap with us, and with HTML practice I will make a file which is any name. Okay, we can give any name. So I will give it links images.html actually. Okay, so after this it's opened and it is ready to code actually. So first is to add the doc type, and after adding this html language english and head, and after that in the head we would give some title, which what will be title actually we will be links and links and images. And after the title we would have the body, and in this body we will have some headings actually. So inside body I would add one heading which is heading number one, and in the heading number one I would give some heading like my links and images page. Okay, so I would follow this roadmap. Okay, in the step 4 we will give some practice links which I can add with the ahref, and in the href I have to add any link. For example, I would add the YouTube link here. Okay, so it's actually gonna work. Yeah, it's working. Control C, and here I will paste this YouTube link actually. And yeah, I added the YouTube link. And target. Okay, so I have to add the target which is underscore blank. So whenever user click here link, it would open it in the new tab. So I would give it this one, and the name would be open actually, nothing else. Okay, and I would also want to add another link which is after some break I would add another link which is of the learning, and I will add of the Google. If Google is fine, I think so. Yeah, Google is fine. So I would paste this link here to open the Google actually. Oh sorry, I I did something wrong, and from here we guys don't require this, so we'll remove this, and that's it. So our link is actually added here. Okay, with the Google name, and target is also I want to open this in the new tab actually. And after this, what's the next step in our chat GPT? Why it's not working? It's worked. Okay, so I added a link, and after this internal page link important hub which create a link to another html page you already made it. Oh, so it's like to give some navigation. Okay, so a href, and I would navigate it to about me. Okay, about about me page. Okay, so I actually navigating it to another html document which is this. So after user click here, it would open this website which I just built some few seconds ago. And step 6 is images. For the images, like uh, we have to add some images in the website we want. So add image, and for the source I would go here and will know copyright images. And after this, here would be some images. I would copy it from pexels. Hey, pexels, don't give me a copyright strike please. I am using their image. For example, this is the image link, and if this image is not open, so I would add here which what words I have to add. This is the nature image actually. Okay, So after this, what I have to do with this is that actually, yeah, image source alternate width and height. So width and height, what should be the width? For the width, I will give some like uh, 20. No, sorry. Width and height you guys can give it, but I don't wanna give that width, height, etc. Okay. So then step 7, which is image plus text together. Okay, so write one paragraph, place image above or below it, and add HR to separate sections actually. So I have to make a paragraph, and in the paragraph I will write something about nature. This is the beauty of nature. Actually we wanna enjoy the life with. Okay, so it's a kind of paragraph, and after paragraph I would add some image here. And what I did some. Okay, as for the image I just have to image and source would I use this one. Okay, it's fine. Oh, sorry, what the hell I am doing. It's actually I'm also learning, and you guys are also learning, so it's better to go with this. So here is the image, and if the image is not loaded, then alternative, this is the image of nature. Okay, and final is